If you're watching this, you've probably seen Storylane, maybe you've tried it, and something's telling you that you should be looking at alternatives. Maybe it's the price. Things like personalizing the demo, like adding their name or their logo, are gated behind a $500 a month price tag. Or maybe it's the free plan, which only gives you one demo. Maybe you've realized Storylane is built for one job, sales demo automation, and your team needs more than just that. Here's the thing. Storylane is genuinely a good tool for the right team, but usually the right team is a sales team. So if you're looking for a Storylane alternative, whatever the reason is, we're going to show you 9 in this video. Okay, so here are the 9 alternatives, and I've grouped them into 4 categories. The first one is Supademo, and in full transparency, we are Supademo, so of course we're going to put us at the top of the list, but here's the reason why we've done so. And it's simply because it's the all-arounder tool. Anyone can build a demo that looks genuinely good in minutes. It also covers the whole go-to-market motion: sales, marketing, onboarding, and support. And the things that Storylane are gating behind their premium tiers are actually fully accessible at the lower tiers that Supademo offers. And a lot of that is built-in AI tools. Think voiceovers, AI translation into over 30 languages, voice cloning, and even an AI audit, which will judge your demo and help you improve it. And also, the free plan gives you 5 demos rather than just one, so you can actually see if it's working for you. And even if you don't become a paying customer, those demos that you made become yours forever. Now let me share one honest limitation. Now we have an AI demo agent that qualifies leads before passing them to a rep, but we don't have an AI avatar the way Storylane does. And that's because we have some strong opinions on when an AI avatar is actually necessary, but we'll leave that for another video. But if these are must-haves for you, factor that in. All right, so category 2 is inbound marketing and HTML editing. We've got Navattic, Arcade, and HowdyGo. Navattic is the HTML first pick. Think high-fidelity tours from your live product. It's built for marketing and growth teams. These are polished demos designed to convert, but it starts at around $500 a month annually. Arcade is the storytelling pick. Beautiful demos made for product marketers. A free tier with a paid plan that starts at about $40 and some change per user. It's not built for sandbox environments like we're going to talk about next, or positioned as an enterprise tool. HowdyGo is another lean option. Now these are simple HTML demos that start at about $160 a month for unlimited users. Now you have to pay to play, and there's no free plan for this, but it is a great option for startups. Now the third category is enterprise sales and cloned environments. We've got Walnut, Reprise, and Demostack. Walnut does sales-led personalization and deal rooms for around $7,000 to $18,000 annually. Reprise is a broader enterprise pre-sales platform. It does both guided tours and fully cloned environments of your product. They position themselves for complex products. Now Demostack is the most specialized. It spins up a fully editable clone of your product, so your sales engineers can demo it without having to touch any code in production. All 3 of these tools are powerful and position themselves as built for enterprise companies. The pricing is mostly custom for all of these and can run into the tens of thousands a year. If your needs are go-to-market wide rather than enterprise deep, you might want to skip these tools. So the last category is video-led enablement. The tools here are Consensus and Vidyard. Consensus is video-led buyer enablement. These are interactive video environments that tracked who on the buying committee watched what, and it ranges from around $7,200 a year. Vidyard is the lighter option for personalized videos and screen recordings. A really strong option if your reps record a lot of videos to send to prospects, rather than interactive product tours. Now, most comparisons will give you a long list of features that you'll have to sift through, but that's a lot of noise, and it's not actually going to help you discern which tool is right for you. And the one thing that nobody actually talks about is that there are 2 things that will be the deciding factor for what tool you go with. One, does the finished demo actually look good? Click through a real demo that each of these tools have made. Look at the hotspots or the tooltips and see how it's presented. If it looks clunky to you, it's going to look clunky to a buyer. 2, does it feel good to build a demo? You're going to be using this editor a lot, so pick 2 of the tools that you're shortlisting and make demos using their product. You're going to notice which one feels way more natural over the other. Do that and then factor in the price, because the decision will probably become obvious. Okay, so we've looked at 9 different alternatives to Storylane. So let's put it all together in a quick short list that you can use. Sales only with the budget for it, think Storylane and Walnut. Marketing demos on your website, Navattic, Arcade, or HowdyGo. Selling to a buying committee with video, Consensus, or Vidyard. And if you want one tool that does all of that without the premium price tag, Think Supademo. You can try Supademo for free, 5 demos with no credit card that you get to keep forever at supademo.com. The full Storylane comparison and the breakdown of their pricing you'll find in the description. I'll see you in the next video.